Why isn't my Excel file working? It was created using Excel 2016, and I have a Mac, but I thought they were compatible. They are compatible, but only to a point. So I'm really glad that you mentioned that you're using a Mac. And I presume that you're using Excel for Mac and not that you have, let's say, a virtual machine with the Windows operating system installed on your Mac, because that is one great way that you work with an Excel file with all of its glorious features. If you're using a Mac, you can use Parallels or VMware, both of which cost a few $100s as a one-time purchase, and both of which are pretty easy to set up. So even if you're working on a Mac, you can install, in essence, a Windows machine on your Mac, and then take that Excel 2016 file, get that software on your Mac, and then be able to open that on your Mac hardware, but in the Windows environment. However, you want a list of specifics. If you don't have a virtual machine, you're using Excel for Mac, I can tell you right now, probably the Excel file isn't working because it has a watch window. It has a table slicer, which doesn't work in Excel for Mac, or a timeline, a pivot table with a timeline that doesn't work in Excel for Mac. Pivot charts, pivot tables will work in Excel for Mac, but not pivot charts. And that's just off the top of my head, a list of 4 features that Excel 2016 has that Excel for Mac does not. So chances are it's that the source file uses features that are not supported in Excel for Mac. So either if you can have the person who created the file make it work without those features, so you can open it in Excel for Mac, or for a few $100s, and also the purchase of Excel for Windows, Microsoft Office for Windows, you can get that installed a virtual machine and then open the file on your physical hardware computer, but have it be in a Windows environment.